Be sure to plug in the socket. Second, open the front cover and then switch on the red button. After you turn on the machine, home page will appear. Left section is the home page button. Right section is the setting button. We will show system button first. This is the system version for engineers to check the current version. This is back to the home page. This button shows current volume of the cartridges. This is for machine calibration. Just need to press the cross button and the machine will execute the calibration automatically. This is for replacing the cartridges. If you use up the cartridges, you will need to use this button.